Mrs. Two Bucks is sleeping, so I have to talk very quietly. Time for another age-old classic of destruction on Amazing Life 24/7. As usual, we'll start mild on the spiciness scale with this big-ass bolt. Meanwhile, this is how you get fired as an engineer. That was an epic clutch bailout by the driver because he would have died otherwise. Finally, leave it to American rednecks to come up with the best destruction of the day.
Fire in the hole!
What the fuck? You woke me up. I'm sorry, I was trying to be quiet. Ah!